demonstrate rolling cat. Rolling cat helps keep the spine flexible, tones the arms, and also allows the baby to be in a more ideal position for birth, which is head down, tummy to mummy, back to your belly. Give it a try. Maybe try 2 minutes, and on the third minute, try to modify by adding an S sound like this, S, on your exhale. You could also squeeze a Kegel on your exhale at that point as well. So it looks like this. You'll inhale, exhale. Demonstration of rolling cat. Begin on all fours, hands right underneath your shoulders. Inhale. And on your exhale, tuck in your chin, round your spine, tuck your tailbone under, and keep going. Just do a couple rounds of cat-cow before you begin. Just get the spine nice and flexible. Baby is away from your spine, giving you a break. Bring the toes together, hands move forward, and sink back into a nice child's pose. Breathing in and out. And just connecting with the earth below you, feeling that safety. Coming back to all fours, knees in line. Inhale. Exhale, sink back, this time towards your heels. Bring the forearms down. Inhale, come up towards your hands. Press away from the earth. Tuck in your chin on your exhale, sinking back. Inhale. It's a good workout for your arms as well. Exhale, tuck in your chin, sinking back. Now to add, let's make an S sound on our exhale and hold on to your Kegel also on your exhale. Inhale and then exhale, release your Kegel. Inhale. Exhale. Keep going. As you notice, when you make the S sound, it starts to activate your transversus muscles. So deep abdominal muscles. It acts like a corset. Come onto all fours into a downward facing dog. Curl your toes under, lift your hips up, stretch the thighs back. Go ahead and bend the knees, pedal the feet, just stretch it out. Go up and down on your toes. And you can do a few rounds of rolling cat, either in 60-second increments or in a few minutes, 2-3 minutes at a time, resting in child's pose after your downward facing dog.